Does your child know English words but feel too shy to speak? And does English seem to them like nothing more than boring workbook exercises? At Allright School, we've created international speaking clubs for children aged 4 to 12, a place where they can speak English easily, with interest, and without fear. Because children learn best when they are surrounded by friends. They want to talk about their favorite game, a dream, or a cartoon they love. And they do it in English, because children from all over the world are listening. This way, the language stops being just theory. It becomes a tool for expressing themselves. We talk about what truly excites them, their favorite cartoons, Minecraft, Brawl Stars, Roblox, Lego, and even create things together, all in English. Every speaking club includes playful activities that keep children engaged and never bored. When learning is fun and mistakes aren't scary, speaking English becomes natural. You choose the time and topic that works best for you. Joining takes just 1 minute. Try our speaking clubs this week. Give your child the kind of English they'll look forward to, just like meeting with friends.